starting the day off. So we got midnight sitting right here on this gloomy, crappy day here in Connecticut. Guys, it seems like it's been forever since I uploaded last. I've just been like slacking with the YouTube grind, busy with work, and just kind of waiting for this whole tune process. I've been talking about a tune for this thing for a really long time now. A lot of you guys are like, yo, when you getting it, when you getting it? And I finally came to the conclusion that bass maps do suck. I don't even know why I ran them. We have the dipstick from an FD2 from Japan. Look at that. Honda. Got this off of ICB Motorsports. Somebody recommended this to me a while back, and I finally like decided to check out the link, and I'm like, you know what? And you guys can see this one looks super shot. But tonight, I have some sweet news, guys. I've been wanting to get this video up for a long time, but I've ran into multiple issues. One issue is Mom and Ben's ancient Lenovo computer, and this thing is literally have been like no help, guys. It's been slow. I tried uploading the tune last night, guys. If you didn't know, I went with an E-tune for starters, so I tried uploading it last night on that ancient dinosaur, and it just was taking forever. It wouldn't load the page. So shout out to the homie you guys are going to meet tonight. His name's Omar. He's going to be letting me borrow his Windows laptop, and as well as shout out to all of you guys who saw my Instagram post and who reached out to me saying you would hook me up to let me borrow your computers. I appreciate the hell out of all you. Also, guys, you've probably been wondering where I've been. I've been super busy with the 9-to-5 job, and I've been getting annoyed because, like, yeah, I've been making money and stuff, but it's like I don't have time to film, and this is what I love to do, and I would rather devote more time into this than something where I'm working for somebody else. You know, this YouTube thing is like I'm my own boss. I have so much fun doing it. I like working on my car, but I do plan on making way more videos soon. Hopefully I can figure something out with that. A lot of you guys have been wondering how the weather's been here. Well, here's a little update for you guys. 28 degrees right now. God, it is freaking cold out, man. Alright, we made it successfully in the spaceship. Also, I wanted to show you guys, I got some new LED lights. I tossed the reds just because when I drop stuff on the floor or the seats, I wasn't able to see crap, so let's see, will this thing start, guys? Okay, battery is officially dead. Wow. It's a good thing we got a set of these, boys. Hopefully the D series will save the K series here. Got my Honda Flash Pro right here. I almost forgot this, guys. I had to run back in and grab that because the whole point of tonight is to get this thing tuned. I want to get the E-tuned uploaded. Think about what I spent on some jewelry, but it all comes back to me usually. Alright, so I know it's hard to see, guys. It's freaking dark out right now. But anyways, I'm really excited to see how this tune is going to feel in this car. I feel like this car has never ran to its fullest potential, especially with the mods that I have on it, because as you know, and yeah, I get a lot of hate for it, but you know what? I should be shunned for it. I should know better that, you know, I've run a lot of bass maps, and my opinion on bass maps, I thought they were awesome at first. I thought they were the greatest thing. Oh my god, my VTEC's lower, all this other, launch control, whatever. Like, it feels super powerful, but little did I know that, you know, it's more advanced than just launch control and VTEC engagement and air-fuel ratio. Just because my air-fuel ratio was good doesn't necessarily mean that the car is running efficiently, and sometimes I feel like I did a little bit of damage internally, but you know what, that's my fault. So officially happy to say that I will no longer be running any base maps, guys. I don't care what it is. I don't trust them. They're not good. They're tested at different elevations. They're tested on different vehicles with different mod setups. So I'm done with the base maps, guys. And I went with Steve from eTunes. If you guys didn't know, Steve got great reviews. I was recommended by like at least 8 to 10 of you guys, of the subscribers. So you guys all know what's up with a good tuner. And one thing I will say about Steve, he is on his game with communication. Like, I literally send him a message, email, and he's back at me with like within an hour or less. So I gotta respect that. He also, you know, because I am strapped for cash all the time pretty much, he also threw me a little discount code which helped me save some money off the tune. So total I paid $170 for my e-tune, which is awesome, guys. And I'm really waiting to get the chance to put it on here, and hopefully tonight will be that night. So the revision 1 that I'm using, I have pretty much a hybrid tune right now, and it's gonna be between AFM and SD, which is speed density, also known as map. So Steve told me he's gonna try running my car with both. He's gonna tune my car with both because I want the race calibration, pretty much like a race tune over performance. So we're gonna try both of them, AFM and pretty much map. And I'm gonna see which one I like better. And I'm gonna have my revision 1, which he sent to me already. Then he's gonna send me a revision 2. So I could choose whether I wanna keep the AFM or choose the race calibration map. Remind me not to come back that way, guys. Guys, about to pull into the location out here in Bristol on Route 6 for all the homies that are out this way. Just pulling into the spot now. I'm out here at Tractor Supply, and apparently he's pulling up in an FG2, so you gotta respect the FG2 gang, boy. So creeping up there with miles, guys. I'm at 183K right now, so she's definitely gonna need a rebuild soon, aka swap. K24 swap. I'm still doing it. Don't know when, but that's my goal, guys. It's a goal for the future. K24 A2 block, most likely K20 head. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this FG2 gang right here. HIDs. Look at that. Where's the homie at, dude? What's up, man? Just the intake? Yeah, it's hard to see, guys, but this is Omar right here. Everybody say what up right here.
We got the whip right here.
Got the whip right here, FG2 gang. This homie's gonna make it happen. He's gonna make the tune happen.
Yeah, we gotta get him the tune.
Gotta get the tune, because
we gotta get it tuned for
your
sure.
boy's broke right now. I don't even have a Windows computer, so. Yo, what made you want to get an FG2 or a SI in general, bro?
Yo, I watched your videos, K20. I was like, I gotta join the family.
Hell yeah.
Manual too. That's my first manual car.
And
I was like, I gotta join manual. I saw your videos, like other people. I watched so much videos on YouTube about this car.
Dude, they're amazing cars, man.
For a good price, I was like, yo.
He's got an 08 right here. I honestly, I didn't know how I felt about the white first, guys, but I honestly love the white. Shout out to all the homies with the white 8th gens, Javi, Billy. Yeah, hell yeah, dude. He knows what's up, yo. That's what's up. Pop the hood, look at this. He's got the short ram, DC Sports. It's pretty equivalent to the InGen, honestly, like almost same size piping. Yeah. Dude, that's loud, yo. It's like louder than mine, dude. All right, guys, got the homie Omar's computer right here. Hopefully this thing does the job. So I gotta run over to Starbucks really quickly because your boy canceled Frontier at the house because they were charging me way too much money. So I gotta run to Starbucks real quick, upload the tune on there, and I will be updating another video after this one with the car with the new tune. tune on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. I wanted to throw it up for you guys, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.